Welcome to this tutorial. In the previous lesson, we configured the locations hierarchy that defines where your store operates. Now it's time to use those locations to configure shipping. Shipping methods determine how products are delivered to your customers and how shipping costs are calculated during checkout. In this lesson, you'll learn how to create shipping methods, configure their common settings, understand the available shipping types, apply location and postcode restrictions, and test the complete shipping process on the checkout page. To open shipping methods, go to the Store menu in the Gridbox Administration panel and select Shipping Methods. This is where you can create and manage all shipping methods available in your store. Each shipping method has its own shipping type, delivery settings, and availability rules, giving you complete control over how products are delivered to your customers. To create a new shipping method, click Add New Item in the bottom right corner. In the dialog that opens, enter a title for the shipping method and choose its type. The estimated delivery time field allows you to inform customers how long delivery is expected to take. This information is displayed during checkout, helping customers choose the shipping method that best meets their needs. Use the description field to provide additional information, such as delivery conditions, special instructions, or any other details your customers should know before placing an order. Finally, the restrictions section lets you control where the shipping method is available. Once you've configured the settings, click Save. Your shipping method will be added to the list and will be ready to use. Gridbox provides several shipping types, allowing you to calculate shipping costs in different ways depending on your business requirements. Store Pickup allows customers to collect their order from your physical store or pickup location. This shipping type doesn't require any shipping cost configuration, making it ideal for local businesses that offer in-store pickup. Free shipping offers delivery at no additional cost. It's commonly used for promotional campaigns or stores that provide free shipping on all orders. Flat rate applies a fixed shipping cost to the entire order, regardless of the number of products or their weight. Simply enter the shipping price and optionally define a free shipping over amount value to automatically offer free shipping once the order subtotal reaches a specified amount. Rate by price calculates shipping based on the order subtotal. You can create multiple pricing rules by defining an order price up to value together with its corresponding shipping price. For example, orders up to $50 can have one shipping cost, while orders up to $100 can use another. You can also configure free shipping over amount to automatically remove shipping charges for larger orders. Rate by weight range calculates shipping based on predefined weight ranges. Create multiple weight rules by specifying an order weight up to value and the corresponding shipping price. This is ideal when shipping costs increase as the total order weight grows. You can also define a free shipping over amount if required. Rate per weight unit calculates shipping based on the total weight of the order. Enter the shipping cost for each weight unit, and Gridbox will automatically calculate the final shipping price. This type also supports free shipping over amount. Rate per product charges shipping for each product in the cart. Simply specify the shipping cost per product, and Gridbox will calculate the total shipping cost based on the number of items ordered. You can also configure free shipping over amount. Rate per category allows different shipping costs to be assigned to different product categories. Create multiple rules by selecting a category and specifying its shipping price. This is useful when different product categories require different shipping costs, such as furniture, clothing, or digital accessories. Each shipping type is designed for a different pricing strategy, allowing you to choose the approach that best fits your business. Now let's see how to control where these shipping methods are available. The restrictions section allows you to control where each shipping method is available. Using available locations, you can make a shipping method available only for selected locations from your location hierarchy. For example, you can offer store pickup only in Hollywood, or limit a shipping method to a specific country, region, city, district, or any other location in your hierarchy. The restricted locations option works the opposite way, allowing you to exclude selected locations while keeping the shipping method available everywhere else. For even more precise control, use Available Postcodes. This option supports several matching formats. Matches only the exact postcode. Matches all postcodes beginning with 61. Matches alphanumeric postcodes beginning with FK44. Matches every postcode within the specified range. During checkout, customers enter their postcode using the postcode system field in the customer information plugin. Gridbox automatically compares the entered postcode with your shipping rules and displays only the shipping methods that match both the selected location and postcode. Now that you're familiar with the available shipping types and restriction options, let's create a few shipping methods for our store. We'll start with store pickup. I'll set the title to Store Pickup, keep the shipping type as Store Pickup, and set the estimated delivery time to ready in 1 hour. In the description field, I'll enter the pickup address and business hours. I'll make this shipping method available only in Hollywood and set the available postcode to 90028. Next, let's create standard shipping using the flat rate shipping type. I'll set the shipping price to €10. Finally, let's create express shipping using rate by price. I'll configure shipping to cost €20 for orders up to €50, €15 for orders up to €149.99, and enable free shipping for orders over €150. With these shipping methods in place, our store now offers local pickup, standard delivery, and express shipping, each with its own pricing strategy and availability rules. Now, let's test our shipping configuration. I'll add a product to the cart and proceed to the checkout page. Here are the shipping methods we created. As you can see, store pickup isn't available because we restricted it to the Hollywood location. Notice that express shipping currently costs €20. The subtotal of our cart is €37, and in the shipping settings, we configured €20 for orders up to €50. Let's increase the quantity of the product to raise the order total. Now, express shipping costs €15 because we configured €15 for orders up to €150. Next, let's increase the quantity once again so the order total exceeds €150. As expected, express shipping is now offered free of charge. Now, let's test the location restriction. In the destination field, I'll select California, Los Angeles, and Hollywood. As you can see, store pickup is now available. After selecting it, the pickup information we entered earlier is displayed, including the store address and business hours. Finally, let's test the postcode restriction. I'll clear the selected destination and enter the postcode we configured earlier in the postcode field. Perfect. Store pickup appears again because the entered postcode matches the shipping rule we created. This demonstrates how shipping types, location restrictions, postcode rules, and free shipping thresholds work together to provide the correct shipping options during checkout. In this lesson, you've learned how to create shipping methods, configure different shipping types, apply location and postcode restrictions, and test the complete shipping process on the checkout page. With your shipping methods in place, your store is now ready to offer customers flexible delivery options based on their location and order details. In the next lesson, we'll configure taxes and see how tax rules can be applied to different locations. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.